Hello, welcome back. Hey, welcome back to Dream. Today we are going to be showing you how to do Movavi Video Editor Plus 2022. First, we're going to be loading it in. Let me plug my stuff up real quick. Okay, so what we are going to be doing first, hold on a second. Turn you on. And we will be showing you how to use this. Close this out. Okay, so right here, I'm going to go down here and go to my PC. I'm going to take this drive D right here, drag it up there, drag it up there. Okay, there are my videos. Okay, I got a few pictures, a few videos. I'm going to take, let's take this right here. I'm going to drag it down here. I'll full screen this. And, oh, it just imported all of my videos. Now, if you push the space, it is playing music right now, if you cannot hear, with a little green Santa Claus. So, you start at all, up here, but you could go to the sides and do stuff. So, I'm going to take this animated rectangle, and I could add it wherever I want. I'll put it right there, and I'll drag it, and I'll put it right there. Okay, now. Okay, now there's an animated rectangle, and I could put thumbs up, like, and now there's a thumbs up for this amount of time. You could shorten it, make it larger, and I am going, for the thumbs up, I'm going to go over here to noise, and I'm going to think, what would some good noise be? So, I'm also going to go to sounds. This one's the good one. I'll do applause. Let's listen to it. So that's an applause. So we took the applause and we could put it right on top of there to sound like. And now there's a thumbs up and that there's a thumbs up for this amount of time. Again, you could shorten it and move it around, put it to where you want. You also have thick packages that you could buy for money, sample videos that you could add. I, right here, go to download for pushing this button, and it will push loading. And you could see this, and it will be loading, obviously. And while this is happening, I can look around, see what I would like. I'm going to go to featured. And here's a broken lens editing thing. And now when we watch this, it will be glitching. Let's go back to our thing. Simple videos. Our fire is almost done. If I just look around, there's some other stuff you could download. There's bubbles, and you could download more from clicking this, but we don't want that right now. So we'll go back, and the fire is almost done. Look at that. It is now done, and anytime I could just add it right there, and pretty beautiful to look at. Anyway, I am also going to download this money because I like money. And look how fast that thing is loading. I am gonna go to sounds again, and I am going to maybe yes, whip, white noise, yeehaw, shutter. Let's hear this one. Can you hear it? No. Laugh track, ka-ching. Oh, I love ka-ching. Oh, that's what we can put when the money comes up. So if we go back to sample videos, the money is probably done. I'll put it right there. And now if I go over here and go back to the sounds, I could put the ka-ching down right there. And I can put more ka-chings. A lot of ka-chings. There's a lot of ka-chings. More ka-chings. A lot of ka-chings. You can like look around this and look at this now. And now maybe I could go down to the stickers over here and I'll search up. Oh, what just happened there? Oh my goodness, what is happening? I'm gonna exit drawing. Okay, I'm gonna search up money.
Does he look like you or do you look like him? No, it's like me.
Can we find it? Signs, arrows, highlighting won't be on highlighting, shapes, sketch, masks. I could like edit my face in there and put a mask on myself to not look like me. Objects, I'll add burning fire. Look at that. I'm mean. Poor fire's burning. It's kind of sad. And then once you do that, it will say duration. But or if you want that, you could just go over here. As you could say, the duration is also moving. Because if you click it and... Okay, so we could do tons of stuff. And these are for transitions. I'll push glitch. And I'll put it right there for that transition. And so watch this. It glitches perfectly, and I love looking at that. I'll also go to, these are tons of stuff you could do. Like when I push this star. Oh, and I forgot to show you what it looks like with the lens broken. And right now I could go over here to push stickers. If you can't hear anything, I'll push the arrows and right there. Watch that. Watch the. It's pretty cool watching. Look how many arrows there are. Who actually needs arrows? Okay, but then we're gonna do some cool stuff like animating and stuff like that. So I'm gonna click this, and the animation will let me do animation. You have to get a $65 thing to get the animating areas. So if you don't really are buying that, then don't watch this area. So I'll push top to bottom. I haven't seen this. So let's see this. Oh wow, that is really loud. That is I haven't even noticed this was so loud. I'm going to turn the volume it goes to 400. That is so loud. I'm going to go to like that's good. That is good. I want to see. So it's at 100. I want to see this. Are you ready to see this? Oh, that hurts my ears. Let's see like 10. That doesn't sound like applauding at all. Okay, let's go back to 100. Can we get back to 100? The game of hardness and everything. There's still kind of sound of. Can I type it in? Oh yes, I can type it in. That is awesome. Oh, good. 10. 0, 0, 0, 0. Look at that. That's just puny. Okay, we could also add timers. Look at that, there's a timer. And it will be pretty cool. Maybe I could get my teacher to like get a timer. Anyway, this is almost done. But yeah, it's almost done. But yeah. Okay, so my other stuff with this is you could like, I'm gonna go to animation. We're stopping at exactly 15 minutes. Okay, animation. I could like, watch this. If I put this animation right here, it's real cool. How long will it do that? So I'll have nothing. But I'll add this animation. Okay, I'm gonna delete the animation. So I'm gonna click this star. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, if you click the star, you could dissipate and add how much ability there is in that. I'm going to go back to animation, and I'm going to do a lot more of this. It's going to be a lot of it. This picture is just going to be flying around. It's going to be awesome. It's just going to be, the picture's going to be going everywhere. It's going to be doing everything you can imagine. Okay, let's look at this. Ready? It's going to be insane.
Yes, you know what's coming. Yeah.
Something like that. I'm going to go up and add some music. My favorite one is steampunk, cypherpunk. It's pretty cool sounding. So we'll go over and then add that music. I just real quick want to go over, and I needed to show you the ending. Just at the end. Okay, by the way, you could zoom in. Let me see this. Just by pushing this. It's kind of glitching out on me. So I got that out, and the video's almost coming to a stop. You know a lot about it. You could still add like zooming in, and I haven't seen the zoom in one, so I'm gonna, here's some pictures. Okay, I'm gonna, that's cool. I like that. Let me see the twirl. That is also so cool. I'm also gonna try this one. That one's okay. I mean, I am still very, very proud of this website and all of its glory and slow emotions and logo and scenes and chroma and everything.
What's even a blur rectangle do? What is that? This doesn't make any sense. Everybody, color adjustment. Oh, this. Okay. Oh, look at that. It doesn't look right anymore.
Okay. Anyway, guys, we are very, very, very close to ending this video. Okay, I do want to see this. Like, seconds left. Because I have 15 minutes of the max of this video thing that I'm using called Screen-O-Matic, sponsoring right here. Very good. Yeah, very good editing thing. You have all of this stuff. Screen-O-Matic. You have all of this pencils and pens, and I can draw right now, but it is very, very Very useful. Anyway, bye and thank you.